I think we're starting to outgrow our office space. So hear me out. When we first set up this office, we were both in university and we just ran everything off of 2 little HP Omen laptops and we set up our teeny tiny monitors. But since then, the way we use our office has changed a lot.
So we've been using our setup for a lot of video editing, a lot of gaming, replying to build inquiries, and also connecting with you guys.
I think one of the problems with our office space currently is that we simply don't have enough storage to put all of our belongings and our stuff. We have more than just notebooks and pencils now, so you can see everything's getting a little crowded and starting to overflow.
So we've already started gathering some parts and we're really excited to share with you guys.
So follow along on our vlog style series as we update our okay office to something amazing. For all of you guys that are new here, my name is Jenny.
My name is Ben. We are Archetype Origins and we do a lot of PC related content.
Oh, I thought I was gonna say half of that. I don't know if I really want to show y'all this, but let's see what we're working with. As you can see, a lot of our shelves are just these really cheap open shelves. It's honestly even too small for our printer, and we just have a lot of stuff overflowing. We don't have enough places to store it. Ben's computer is not even on his desk because we don't have enough desk space, so we're just putting it on the shelf. I think it's actually bending and bowing too, so we definitely want to get it somewhere more sturdy. As for Ben's setup, overall it looks pretty good, but he just doesn't have enough storage for our dog. So we think we want to add a couple more drawers just to be able to put all the little knickknacks that clutter up here like into little shelves. For my setup, it's a similar problem. So we just have a lot of things that gather on our surfaces. We only have that one little set of drawers and honestly they're full. And my PC is actually on the floor. There's not enough space for it up here on the desk, so we want to get bigger desk and find a way to get my PC up on my desk. It honestly collects a bunch of dust down there and gets a lot of dog hair, so we want it off of the ground. This side of things is kind of new, but basically this desk table ends up as just a dumping grounds for anything that we've grabbed recently, and it all clutters up here. We have our new 3D printer, new-ish 3D printer, and then our vinyl cutter. All of this we want to try and get into the closet space, which we're actually underutilizing because we are not having anything vertically stored. Everything's just sitting on the floor, so Same with this closet space, it's not being well utilized. We do have one of those like cube shelf things behind it. It's just full of cables and clutter, so we just need to clear out everything here and then put in some type of cabinet so that we can have a surface on top and then a ton of storage below. But yeah, that's our office space. I can do a quick spin around for you guys to show you what a disaster it actually is. I'll show you guys what we want to do actually. Honey?
Yeah.
So in order to show our friends what the plan is, we have to clear out this room.
Right now?
Right now.
Oh, okay.
Let's do a time lapse? Okay.
Sure.
The plan is to take everything out of our office and then move it into another space so that while we're redoing the office space, we are still able to work and produce videos. So the plan is to remove our dining table and then set up our office space here in our dining area. And hopefully our YouTube videos are still okay because we're going to be working out of this kind of chaotic space for a while.
A few moments later.
Good job cleaning the office. Cheers. Yeah, babe. Do you like the office? Just got back from work and went to Target to get some spackle so we can repair these holes in the office wall. Look at all my stuff. Also, the camera mic is broken, so now the sound quality is terrible. So it should be fixed in a couple days when we have a new cable coming. Here's the office so far. And we have some holes here. We're gonna have to take out. I'll set you guys down. I'm gonna change. Go back. Echo! I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but it's super echoey in here. I got spackling. So I love the pink one because it changes color because I'm super impatient. So it'll change color when it's ready. So I think I patched a lot of holes. They're almost dry, but it's getting pretty late. So I think I'm gonna go to bed, but sanding and then painting the room again before we're able to do anything, because I gotta start with a clean slate. We're getting a lot of packages in the next couple of days, so hopefully everything comes and we can start putting our office together so we're no longer working out of our dining room. So I will see you guys tomorrow, but it will seem like a second for you. So, okay, so I just got off work and Ben told me we got all of our IKEA packages. So I'm gonna go and check them out.
So the IKEA stuff just arrived. I'm gonna go ahead and open the garage for them so they can set all those stuff inside our garage. Alright, I have no idea how much stuff Jenny bought, but it sure seems like there's a lot more on there. Alright, so it looks like all the stuffs are here. You can see here our garage is pretty much packed with all this stuff. We sure got a lot of unboxing to do, so we'll be back for this.
It's gonna be a lot. So we're also getting the wood slat panels, and that should be coming maybe tomorrow. So today's plan is to sand down the spackling and then paint the room, and then tomorrow it'll probably be ready for wall slats. But look at how much stuff we have. This is our garage. We have so much stuff, and I just keep adding to it. But once everything comes in, it'll be just the process of putting everything together. So I'm so excited. All right, so today I get to sand down all the spackle that I put on. Let's do that. Ta-da! I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. I can tell the difference.
Whoa. Whoa. It looks so good.
Look at the holes I patched.
Whoa. What holes? Is it dry yet?
It's dry. Rub it.
Whoa. It feels pretty good.
So now that everything's painted and we're just waiting for the last shipment of stuff to come in, I just wanted to thank y'all for watching so far. I know this video is a little bit different than what we're used to doing, but stay tuned because the rest of this should be super interesting since we're finally going to be putting things into our office and actually decorating it. So stay tuned to see what we have planned for the office, and subscribe and follow us so you can get the whole office makeover from beginning to end. But I'll see you guys